Bonjour from Paris. I think it's fair to say that Paris is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. But France is not just all about Paris. It's a massive country and I'd like to visit all of its regions, but it's just that I don't have enough time here, so I have to pick which region to visit next. And if you click this video, you know that I'm going to Normandy. Rouen is the capital of the northern French region of Normandy. Welcome to Rouen. I've traveled about an hour and a half away from Paris by train, but it looks like I've traveled further back in time. Have a look at this. This cathedral is ridiculously old. They started construction in the 11th century and it took them 800 years to finish. Historically, Rouen is one of the largest and most prosperous cities in medieval Europe. This is also where they tried Joan of Arc and burned her alive. Look at those timber houses. Because of the position of the sun right now, the clock looks like it's glowing. This beautifully decorated astronomical clock was made in 1389, making it one of the oldest working clocks in Europe. Not far from the Cathedral of Notre, they have their Parliament building, which looks just as epic. So I mentioned about Joan of Arc earlier. So this is the place, exactly this place, where they tried and burned her alive. They've also built a church next to the square on her honor. I like all the old buildings here, like on the square. It looks so old. For a minute there I thought I walked around in circle, but no, this is a different church from the Notre Dame Cathedral. This one is also really old looking. The houses on the street look like they're mostly made of wood, medieval looking, really nice. And that's my very short visit in Rouen. I love that the city center is compact and easy to walk around. Exploring the medieval streets with those Gothic spires really feels like you've traveled back in time. If you love medieval architecture, then you will love Rouen. I'm heading to Mont Saint-Michel next, and I will see you there. Kita kits, or as you say here in France, à bientôt!